So I found the easiest method that you can make money on the internet while impacting lives. Not just small money, but making money that can eventually become your main source of income. In this method, we are just going to be copying and pasting. Anybody can do this. You don't need any prior knowledge. You don't need any background. You can do it from anywhere around the world, and anybody can do it so long as you have the internet. Even if you don't have a computer, you can use your phone to do it. I'm going to be sharing with you some of the results that I have gotten.
I'm an overcomer by God's grace I rise.
So the first thing that I want you to do is to go to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, just search for openai.com and then you create an account. So now when you create an account, it's going to bring you here. I've put a prompt in the description box down below. I just want you to go there and copy it and paste it here. In this prompt, I'm asking ChatGPT to act as a YouTube specialist, and I want ChatGPT to generate 10 profitable ideas for me that I can use for my Christian YouTube channel. So you can just take your time and read the prompt. You can put 20, you can put any number. I'm asking ChatGPT that I want inspiring topic. I'm giving examples of Christian motivation because I have done some research and I've seen that these ones do extremely well. And I'm adding examples like how to trust God in difficult times, talking about Christian parenting tips. So just go ahead, you can read the prompt and then you can make any changes. And then remember, overcomers, our goal here is to be able to build multiple streams of income. So now one of the things that I'm also asking ChatGPT here is that ChatGPT should give me ideas for affiliate products that I can sell with this niche, and that will help you so that you can start making money from day one. You don't necessarily need to wait until your channel get monetized. And with this method, actually your channel will easily get monetized, as we are going to be doing trending topics that people are actually looking for. So this is one video that I created on a kind of channel like this one that I'm showing you, and this video I posted it there is less than 150 days ago, and this video is already doing so well, and this is the amount of money, almost $650 that I've already made on this video. And the only reason is because I took action. And overcomers, that's how you can easily change your life, when you take action. So now that we have this here, I'm just going to click enter, and ChatGPT is going to provide this information for us. Now we can see that ChatGPT has given us 10 titles, so you can look through and see the one that interests you. I've gone through all of them and I'm going to take number 3. It's talking about the top ways that we can build wealth as a Christian, and it's talking about God's principle for financial success. This one is interesting to me, so I'm just going to come here and I'm going to copy this title. So go ahead, copy your own title, and then let's go to the next stage. The next thing I want you to do is just to go to Google like this, and then go ahead and paste your title that you copied right here, and then go ahead and search. Why are you doing this? You can as well ask ChatGPT to write the article for you, but the reason why I like this method is because we are going to be writing on existing articles that are already doing well. So one thing that I want you to know is that you can use this same method and create any kind of channel. It can be health, it can be wealth, it can be relationship, it can be tech, it can be travel. So anything that interests you. One of the ways that you can actually succeed on the internet and be able to build multiple streams of income is to figure out the problem you want to solve. So assuming that you want to solve problems in the tech niche, then just go ahead and do tech. So now here you can see many different titles, so just go ahead and check all of them. So let's just take, for example, this one. Let's focus on this one. I just want you to come like this and copy the article just like that. And now we are going to go to the next stage. So I want you to go to the description down below just like this, and then you are going to see InVideo just like this, and you can try it for free. Just go ahead and click on it like this. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you here. So when it brings you here, you go ahead and sign in, but I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in, and you can follow me step by step and try it completely for free. When you are here, what I want you to do is that you come here, just click here and go to home. I want you to scroll down, go to where it says explore all. You click here, then now come here to this one that says news video. We are using this option because we have a link to the article that we want to convert into a video. So go ahead now and just click here. So what you are going to do is that you come here, paste your article that you had copied just like that. The next thing I want you to do is to go back to the article, just copy the title just like this. So bring the title here and just paste it like this. So you can add anything here. You can add things like make it motivational and make it encouraging. So when you come down to the setting, now you click here on use. Let's say we want to use a male voice. Now come here, any kind of voice, you can go ahead and choose any voice that you want. So I'm just adding here that deep male voice. You can decide that you want a British voice, anything that you want, you just go ahead and customize it here. And now here, narrator, do you want 1 speaker, 2 speaker? When you have many more speakers, depending on what you are working on, is going to make it more engaging. Now you just come here and click continue. So at this point, we are just going to come here and generate. InVideo is going to take some time. Go to that article, pull information from that article and analyze it. One thing that you can do also is that you can determine the length that you want for your video. How long do you want your video to be? Now you come here, what is your audience? You go ahead, let's just take motivational, let's keep it inspirational, platform YouTube. So then we go ahead and click like this. So this is going to now help us to generate our article. If you are struggling in any way and you need any extra help, I'll have a form down below that you can book a free appointment with me. And I'm also going to have a business plan that is going to help you to follow step by step and be able to start your own business. So now our video is ready. Let's listen to what InVideo has done for us.
What if I told you the key to financial success has been hiding in plain sight for centuries? Yep, it's in the Bible. Let's dive into 5 proven biblical principles that can transform your financial life.
Wow, that is already so amazing. So now the good thing about this is that you can come here and edit. You can change anything that you want. So let's say I want to edit a script. I'm just going to come here. If I want to delete something, I'm just going to click here and delete. If I want to add something, I'm just going to go ahead and add. Let's say the name of our channel is Biblical Wealth with Delphine. I can just come here at the end and just add something here that says, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel, Biblical Wealth with Delphine. So when you do that, you make any changes, you just go ahead and apply the changes. Another thing too that you can do is that you can edit the media. Maybe this first one, you wanted a different image. You can have your own images that you want to upload here. Okay, let's assume that I wanted to upload an image of myself. So I don't have any. Let me just take this one that is a thumbnail, and then I'm just going to upload it just like this. And then you are going to see how that image is going to change here. Now when you do that, you click here on replace. Overcomers, InVideo is amazing. Just as you can come here and upload your media, you can also come here and just search for anything that you want to add on your video. Let's say, for example, I've just put Bible studies here, and now you see that it's going to bring different things that are related to Bible study. You can just come here and replace it, and then it's going to put it now on your video. And then you see it replaces this picture that I put here. So every time you make any changes, you just come here and then you apply changes. And then another thing too that you can do, you can come here and say, make the voice louder. You can change anything. The Bible says, go ye into the world and preach the gospel. You can take advantage of this. So you can create different type of channels. You have English, Spanish, French, any language. You don't need to know how to speak the language. So you can just come here, for example, and type change to French, and then you generate. Instead of English, it's going to change this video to French. So let's listen to it.
Et si je vous disais que la clé du succès financier est cachée sous vos yeux depuis des siècles? Eh oui, elle se trouve dans la Bible. Découvrons ensemble 5 principes bibliques éprouvés qui peuvent transformer votre vie financière.
So now I'm also saying change to Chinese, and then you just go ahead and generate. So let us now listen to the Chinese version.
如果我告诉你，通往财富自由的钥匙，几个世纪以来一直摆在你眼前，你会相信吗？
So you see that you don't need to know how to speak these languages, but you can go ahead and start a Christian channel where you are impacting lives in these different languages, even though you have no clue how to speak the languages. Overcomers, take advantage of all of this and start creating impact and making money in the process. And now if everything looks okay, then you are just going to come here and download it. But for you to be able to remove the watermarks that we have, then you have to upgrade your account. Now the next thing is to take this video that you've generated like this and then post on your YouTube channel. And I've already created a video that I'm going to link here that will help you to create a YouTube channel the correct way, and you'll be able to have all your settings right from this beginning. Now let's go ahead and watch the video that we just did.
What if I told you the key to financial success has been hiding in plain sight for centuries? Yep, it's in the Bible. Let's dive into 5 proven biblical principles that can transform your financial life. First up, budgeting. Luke 14:28 teaches us to plan and track our expenses. Think of it as your financial GPS, guiding you to make smart decisions with your money. Next, saving. Proverbs 6:8 reminds us to be like ants, storing provisions for the future. Start small, but be consistent. Your future self will thank you. Third, avoid debt. Proverbs 22:7 warns that the borrower is servant to the lender. Break free from debt chains and reclaim your financial independence. Fourth, invest wisely. Ecclesiastes 11:2 encourages diversifying investments. Spread your eggs across different baskets to grow your wealth steadily. Finally, give generously. Acts 20:35 tells us it's more blessed to give than to receive. Generosity opens doors to abundance and fulfillment. Follow these timeless principles and watch your finances flourish. Ready to unlock biblical wealth? Let's get started.
So overcomers, to let me know that you watched this video up to this point, I want you to put in the comment section that this is amazing. Love you all so much. I'm going to see you in the next video.
It's been a while since we lay